Hey there. If you've ever noticed those unsightly black or green patches on your walls, you know how frustrating and concerning mold can be. Mold not only looks bad, but it can also pose health risks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of mold on walls step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The key to getting rid of mold is addressing both the mold itself and the conditions that allow it to grow. Safety first. Before we dive in, safety is crucial. Mold can release spores that are harmful when inhaled. So, make sure to wear protective gloves, safety goggles, and a face mask. You should also cover nearby furniture and floors with plastic sheeting to protect them from cleaning solutions. Step 1. Identify the mold. Start by identifying the areas affected by mold. Look for discoloration, musty odors, and damp spots. Mold can appear black, green, or even white. Once you've pinpointed the affected areas, you're ready to move on to the cleaning process. Step 2. Prepare the area. Prepare the area by ensuring good ventilation. Open windows and use a fan to circulate air. This helps to disperse mold spores and reduce exposure. Also, cover the surrounding areas with plastic sheeting and secure it with duct tape to contain the mold and prevent spreading. Step 3. Clean the mold. Now, let's get to cleaning. For mild mold, a solution of white vinegar and water works wonders. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts vinegar and water, then spray it directly on the moldy areas. Let it sit for an hour. Vinegar has antimicrobial properties that kill mold effectively. After an hour, scrub the area with a scrub brush. For stubborn mold, you can make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it to the moldy area, let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub it off. Alternative cleaning solutions. If vinegar and baking soda aren't enough, you can use hydrogen peroxide. Pour 3% hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and spray it on the mold. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub. For tough mold, consider using a commercial mold remover. Just follow the instructions on the label. Step 4. Rinse and dry. Once you've scrubbed away the mold, rinse the area with clean water and dry it thoroughly. To avoid making a big mess while rinsing, use a wet towel instead of pouring water on your walls. Soak the towel in a bucket of water, squeeze out excess, and use the wet towel to clean the wall. Repeat the process until you're done removing the cleaning solution you used completely. Use a cloth or a fan to speed up the drying process. Remember, moisture is mold's best friend, so make sure everything is completely dry. Step 5. Prevent future mold growth. Now that you've cleaned the mold, it's time to prevent it from coming back. Here are some tips. Reduce humidity. Use a dehumidifier to keep indoor humidity levels below 50%. Improve ventilation. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens. Fix leaks. Repair any leaks in roofs, windows, or pipes promptly. Clean regularly. Regularly clean and dry areas prone to mold growth, such as bathrooms and basements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've dealt with mold in your home. Thanks for watching. And that's how you get rid of mold on walls. It's a simple process that anyone can do with the right tools and a bit of elbow grease. Remember, the key is not just cleaning the mold, but also preventing it from coming back by keeping your home dry and well ventilated. See you in the next video.